Google Meets now has a whiteboard function. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see those three dots. Click the three dots, and it'll give you the new options within Google Meets. Choose Whiteboard, open a Jam. It'll open your Jamboard either from a drive if you already have one, or start a new board. In this case, I'm going to start a new board, and you'll see that the board opens within my classroom. I can use that for myself and simply use it as an instructional tool for my students, or I can use it to collaborate with the students. I can put notes up here for us to brainstorm. Let's brainstorm, not brainstir, brainstorm. All right, so I can put the brainstorm there. I can move these bits around. If I want to share with my students, I can go to the share function, click that, change my settings so that people can edit it, copy that link right here and click done, and then share that within my messages within Google. If I can't share that within my messages, then I can directly send it to my classroom, or I can include images. Here I'm going to include a Google search, and it will give me options for images that I can include within my whiteboard, and that can become the topic of conversation, or students can collaborate and add to that. And now I have a dedicated whiteboard space either for brainstorming, collaboration, analysis that can be done simultaneously or used solely for my instruction.